where the flowers bloom and the sunshine glows. There's normal gardens where the beauty grows. Every leaf tells a story, every seed takes flight. In the garden's heart, everything feels right. Es mamo, sing it to the sky. Whisper to the petals as the clouds drift by. Es mamo, let the green roots run, dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ezmamo Gardens. Today's video is a bit different. It's in the evening and I want to share with you how this space looks at night. I live in a city. The pace outside is fast, the noise is loud, but once you walk into this space, it gives you that calming effect that is undeniable. The space also helps to block off some of the noise outside. It helps to calm the mind, reducing anxiety and giving you that relaxing feeling. I want to take this opportunity to thank each and every subscriber who have subscribed to the channel so far. And we have reached the first milestone. Thank you so much. You have embraced this channel, you have welcomed this channel, and I want to thank you. As you have welcomed me in your spaces, you have welcomed me in your home, I want to welcome you in my home and say we are family now. Ooh, and the comments, the lovely comments, oh, I appreciate it. One of you says that she's 99 years old and she's enjoying the music. And one of you has collected snake plants for years. They're enjoying seeing my collection. So there are beautiful comments. This is by the entrance. Soon as you walk in, this is what welcomes you. Soon as you enter into the door. So this is the foyer when you walk in. So this beautiful setting welcomes you home from a busy day. It welcomes you back in from hectic days. This is the same thing I want to simulate. Let the channel be a place of escape from a busy world. Let the greenery relax you from a hectic day. Super thanks and membership is now open. You can become a member of this channel. Go to membership, join and contribute a monthly fee where however you can afford. As a member, there is so many perks to enjoy behind the scenes. Be the first to review the video before it goes public and many more. So sit back and relax, watch each and every video to the end, and please continue to subscribe, like, share and comment. Guys, I have so many snake plants. What I want to do is for the first 10 membership family, I would like to give away snake plants. I don't know how to go about it, especially with courier and shipping. It will be a simple thank you combo of 1 moonshine, 1 Futura superba, and Zalanica snake plant. I will have the email address in the description below and we can take it from there. As we grow together, it will be so much fun to share the updates of how the plants started and how the journey is going with you guys. It will be so much fun. I cannot wait. I will have the plants ready and packaged to ship or courier anywhere. I just don't know how to go about it as yet. The live house store autumn plants update will be coming soon. It will be on the 27th of May. If you like to contribute to the channel, super thanks. It's a way of contributing to the channel, which I will so gladly appreciate. I have a village home that I want to slowly develop. Most of you have come along with me when I took plants there to start the village garden. So super thanks will be a way for me to start growing and developing that home. Please come along with me and journey with me as I do that. I want to end this video to say thank you so much for this milestone. Without your support, I cannot have come so far, and many more to come. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you soon.